The construction industry is entirely dependent on innovation to move forward. Because of the sheer size of projects and machines, more effective ways of carrying out everyday tasks have massive impact on costs, quality and sustainability. Working out of Heldal, Norway, entrepreneur Jim Heldal has spent a lifetime in the construction business and runs a group of companies. One of them is DigJim.
The DigJim application is a fantastic user-driven innovation, understanding what could make a difference, and in this case, in the situation of breaking or wearing out the bucket.
For excavators across the world, every day is a battle for minimum downtime and maximum productivity. A major issue is that the lip plate, teeth and front corners on excavator buckets are quickly worn down. The bucket loses its properties, digging stops and costs soar. This is what drove Jim Heldal to develop his innovative protection and maintenance system.
If you change wear members weekly, as we very often do, it will get very expensive. And then you must find solutions.
Jim's original inspiration was the ability of traditional Japanese woodworkers to create strong constructions by wedging together pieces of wood with great precision.
They make three parts and they slide it together and they get amazing constructions. And then I'm thinking, why not do that with steel?
The lip plate, side protection and shrouds are welded to the bucket during initial production, or they can be welded to an existing bucket during maintenance. The hardened steel teeth slide into position. Due to their flattened shape and angle, they stay locked in place.
And when you slide them into each other, it locks itself because of the angle. That's all. This system is so simple. I cannot believe that nobody have thinking about it before.
Millimeter precision and the use of Hardox 500 from SSAB has many positive effects. Replacing teeth takes minutes instead of days. The adapter and/or tooth is knocked off and the replacement is inserted by hand. Harder, longer teeth increase penetration and effectivity when digging, increasing productivity by 10%. Due to harder and tougher steel, the system allows for up to 30% weight reduction. This increases the weight that can be carried in every load, reducing the carbon footprint of every bucket filled.
DigJim is nominated for the Steel Prize because it's an innovative, really good solution, increasing productivity in using the bucket and making it easy to repair and maintain. This very flexible way of looking at maintenance could inspire the whole industry and in the end save material, which is very, very sustainable.